Welcome to Sari 11 Craft and Decor Inspiration Hub. We're excited to share creative ideas for eco-friendly home decor and DIY projects using recycled pallets. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for the latest tips, tutorials, and inspiring craft ideas. Stay inspired and start transforming your space today. Today, we explore how to create stylish, eco-friendly home chairs using simple recycled pallets. Pallet furniture is budget-friendly, sustainable, and customizable. With basic tools and a bit of creativity, you can craft comfortable seating that adds rustic charm to your living space. Pallet chairs are versatile and easy to build. Start by selecting sturdy, undamaged pallets. Clean, sand, and measure your wood to ensure comfort and stability. This project is perfect for beginners, offering a rewarding way to repurpose recycled wood into functional furniture that complements your home decor. Design your chair based on your space and style. A simple design involves stacking 2 or 3 pallets for the seat and backrest. Secure them with nails or screws, ensuring stability. Finish with paint or stain to match your interior, and add cushions for extra comfort and aesthetic appeal. For a more ergonomic design, carve out sections on the pallet for armrests or add a curved backrest. You can also attach additional wooden planks to enhance comfort and support. These modifications make your pallet chair more user-friendly while maintaining its rustic charm and sustainability. Sand all surfaces thoroughly to prevent splinters and ensure a smooth finish. Apply a protective sealant or varnish to prolong the lifespan of your recycled pallet chair, especially if it's intended for outdoor use. These finishing touches make your handmade chair durable and weather-resistant. Adding cushions or upholstery transforms your pallet chair into a cozy seating option. Choose fabric that complements your decor, and secure it with staples or ties. This not only enhances comfort but also adds a pop of color or pattern, making your recycled furniture both functional and stylish. Decorate your pallet chair further with decorative elements like throw pillows, painted patterns, or stencil designs. Personal touches elevate the rustic look, turning a simple recycled pallet into a unique statement piece. It's a perfect DIY project to showcase your creativity and sustainable living principles. Place your pallet chair in various settings: living rooms, patios, or garden corners. Its lightweight design allows for easy movement and reconfiguration, whether for lounging, reading, or casual conversations. Your handmade pallet chair offers comfort while exemplifying eco-conscious craftsmanship. Remember, safety is key. Make sure all nails and screws are flush with the wood surface to prevent injuries. Regular maintenance, like repainting or resealing, will keep your recycled pallet chair looking great and functioning well for years to come. Sustainable furniture is both practical and environmentally responsible. In conclusion, building a home chair from recycled pallets is an inspiring way to combine sustainability with creativity. It's affordable, customizable, and eco-friendly. At Sari 11 Craft and Decor Inspiration Hub, we encourage you to experiment with pallet furniture, turning recycled wood into beautiful, functional art for your home.